Check that out.
Okay, we have the permit, so that will show where we can cut the tree, where we cannot. So these are the trees that would have been cut out anyway. So there are some rules that we need to follow. I really don't know what to say. Forget to bring sunglasses, and this is the best that you would find for me. This one. I mean,
Looks pretty good. 20
yeah,
days,
$5 is enough.
I'm
to
gonna buy
waste.
the ones that are gonna get us through today.
Oh my god. Like an alien. Oh, okay, okay. Wow. Wow. Whoa. Did you hear that? I'll be like, no, it was on my side. Wow. Ow. This is just like... Okay.
Walking around, feeling free, thinking about what's happened to me from July up till now. Don't know where, don't know how. Lately I've come
You scooped up all the snow in your pants? You had overall. Why don't you put on your overall? Are you okay? There's the pants.
Feel it too. Nothing to hide, falling in love. To me, it's perfectly clear. Falling in love.
Wow. That's cool.
It's true, this part of the year has something in store for us. We're falling in love.
Once there's snow everywhere, then it's way harder to find a tree. So for now it's very easy to walk around and see the tree. Once the snow starts to fall here, which will be in a couple of weeks, then it's gonna be way harder. Jot is already flying with the drone, so let's see where he's going. Yeah,
A little bit lopsided, but it's not so bad.
it's okay. It's gonna be good. We thought we find a tree, but
Well, we did find. We found the tree, yes.
find a tree, but it's a tree on one side.
Now we need another half.
Trees are not perfect, but you know, you're trying to aim for something so you can hang something on it.
Tree that we can attach on the wall.
That could have been good in the other house where we live.
Yeah, when we had limited space. Well, we could have got like two half trees, you know, one on one side of the wall, one is on the bedroom side of the wall.
We could have done that too.
Oh, dang it.
Let's keep that good idea. That is my secret stash. You're still here? Should I bring snack?
No, check that out.
After being away from home for a whole day, I felt so refreshed, and that's when I like to organize. I just have new ideas, so I moved all the kitchen towels near to the sink. I don't know why it haven't occurred to me before this, but it makes more sense. So all the baking stuff gonna go under the oven, and now the towels will be handy and all the aprons will be nearby, so it makes just more sense. And it was really nice to do this little project after we got home. Max was always dreaming about a very tall Christmas tree, and this year we were able to do that because we have a higher ceiling. So each house where we live, we always had a very, very low ceiling. So it's really nice to have this big tree that made him very happy. Greeneries are a perfect decoration for Christmas. They are basically free. You can just gather something outside. So I have some branches and I have this tension rod that I'm going to put into the doorway so that way it will hold up and I don't have to use any nails or anything. It's just going to make the space a little bit more welcoming. So I'm trying to be mindful as I'm decorating. I don't want to overdo it. I just want to have a few places where I like to keep focusing on to make it just a little bit more lifelike with the greeneries. let's just stay on the safe side. I'm just going to use the branches on the side, not on the whole fireplace.
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath the mistletoe. And I've gotten you a present that I put under the tree. Tomorrow it is Christmas. The first.
The imaging doesn't work though. Outside the mission drive. Front axle. De látogatsz emlékszek rá.
Kettő égő nem jó.
Ajánlak.
Így van, ez sorosan bekötve. Ez sorosan, ha egy kiég, akkor egyik se fog égni.
Oh man.
Ja.
Oh my god! Yay! You're the best!
We don't need to throw it out yet.
Yes, ma'am. Years ago, I was obsessed to making all kinds of paper garlands, and these are the ones that are the leftovers, and I'm going to use this later on to decorate. But for now, I just want to add the lights on the tree. So I'm not going to decorate that. That's going to be something that we're going to do with the kids, and we're going to make some candies and all sorts of fun things that we can hang on the tree. But I definitely wanted to add lights, just makes it more festive and just brings extra light in the dark days. I just want to say a very quick thank you to you all who ordered all these prints. Thank you so much for ordering it. It's a pleasure for me to make them, and I hope that you will enjoy it. And of course, Jolt is the one who is helping me to package these, so a big thank you to him too as well. Thank you so much for taking your time to watch this video, and I will see you soon in the next one. Bye!